Today we're checking out the BBK 1 3/4 inch tuned length Shorty Headers in titanium ceramic for the 2009 to 2023 5.7 liter HEMI chargers. If you're ready to ditch those heavy cast manifolds and let your HEMI breathe a little easier without going all in on some long tube headers and reconfiguring the entire system, then these shorties are a nice option that are definitely worth checking out. These headers are designed with a 1 3/4 inch primary tube and a tuned length layout. That's going to improve your exhaust flow over the stock cast iron pieces. These can give you gains up to 20 horsepower on a healthy 5.7. These are going to bolt directly into the factory location, and they're built to work with your stock or your aftermarket mid pipes. So you're not going to have to redo that entire exhaust layout at one time. BBK designed them so that no tune is going to be required. You can just run the headers as is. But pairing them with a good tune will definitely help you get the most out of this upgrade. It's a straightforward way to sharpen throttle response, pick up some power, and then give the car a more aggressive exhaust tone along the way. When it comes to the construction on this, you're going to be getting 16 gauge steel tubing that's mandrel bent into 1 3/4 inch primaries feeding into this collector. It's all going to be capped off with a one-piece 3/8 inch laser cut flange. The tubing and the flanges are finished in this really clean titanium ceramic coating, which helps hold heat inside the tubes for better flow, and it adds protection against rust and discoloration so they keep looking good as well as performing well over time. This combination of thick flanges, properly bent steel tubing, and ceramic coating gives you a header that fits like an OEM style part, but it's built for long-term performance use. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the $500 price range. For name brand Shorty Headers made from 16 gauge steel with a ceramic coating, this is a very competitive price in my opinion. Cheaper off-brand headers can hit or miss on fitment and finish, while long tube systems with mid pipes can easily cost significantly more and require more extensive changes to the vehicle. Now, when it comes to the install on this, it's going to get rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should set aside one day to get this job done. This is a fairly serious install, but if you're patient and you're careful, you can get this job done by yourself. But if you aren't 100% comfortable with this level of a project, then go ahead and hire a professional to get this installed for you and make sure the job gets done right. All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the BBK 1 3/4 inch tuned length Shorty Headers in titanium ceramic for the 2009 to 23 5.7 liter HEMI chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.